Hello, this is Sandesh Rathod, an executive officer at Mahigram Services and MCA first year at School of Computer Science, North Maharashtra University, with Shital Bhaviskar. Uh, she is an intern at Mahigram Services and she is worked as uh, uh, intern as a tester uh, and she is a student at School of Computer Science, North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon, uh, in MCA first year professional course. Suppose the set of people they are applied for the my services. Uh, from this group of people, um, a group which are authorized by MyGram services and provided IDs and password to these people. From these people, these are qualified. And what about other peoples? Other peoples don't have an account to this, their portals, such as ID and password and other things. So MyGrams is come and MyGrams provides such a franchise code to these other people which are not authorized by these Maha e services. Uh, so these people get and Mahigram ID password which are we call it as my franchises code. Suppose he is Ram and he is our franchisee, so we are provided him franchise code as ID and password, which is registered by him by its email. So he gets email ID, no, franchisee ID means franchise code and a password through his email. So a customer came to him and making a request to apply for shop act license. So he take his client's data such as name and mobile number and so on. So he takes that data and uh, he came to our server, that is mahikram.com. So he fills their client data using virtual wallet. We design a virtual wallet to our system. So these mm, so the money is deducted by virtual wallet. So he requested to our server by filling some data like is text data and files that are required to apply for shop act license. We take that data and provide to our APIs. Our APIs are own APIs and third party APIs. Third party APIs like Aadhaar payment integration system uh, and Roker wallet transactions. That's all. We are just using it to redirect from our server, redirect our data, means data exchanging from our server to this Mahi services. uh, so our API is requested that Ram's data to the Mahi services. My services take that data and proceed it and response it to the Mahigram server. Means they are responding to the our API get that request and provides to my egram services servers. Our server take that data and so Ram is visiting to our server, make an request for that client, their client data. So he get an shop at license from this our server. So whole things is happening that Ram is first of all Ram is not authorized person to visit my services. So mygram provides such a things that Ram can made authorization to make and request to the my services. uh, Only not we are providing my services. There is such good things we are designed for our client, such as his website, a dynamic website. uh, uh, so uh, these people that are not authorized by the that are these are not authorized by the Mahi services, that can make an authorization through our portal to Mahi services. So Mahigram provides such a things to these clients who are want to get an entrepreneurship development. So these whole things are going, and at last and least, thank you.